the material that normals are pointing at. So basically, like for this one, the exterior will be liquid and the interior will be glass, simply because like normals are pointing well, this way, right, and this is where our liquid will be, and really this is exterior because they're pointing away from the face, and the interior is on the opposite direction of the normals where are pointing. So that would be glass, our interior material. I'm sorry, volume. So now let's select our surface tension. Let's assign class 2 material to it as well. So the exterior will be world, since the normals are pointing into the air, and the interior will be liquid. Now let's select our class, let's hit new material, and let's choose material type class 2. So the interior for this one will be glass and exterior will be world. Okay, so that looks nice. So basically we have finished our class. Now we can get on to modeling some umbrellas. Hit Shift A to bring our cylinder into the scene, uncheck cup ends, and let's hit 16, not 16 but 48 vertices to give us some more resolution. Go to edit mode by hitting tab, go to vertex selection mode, hit A, deselect all, B, drag and selection, as to scale, and move those guys up like so, and probably we'll have to scale those ones just a touch more. Now I want to go to the top view and select the points like so. And we want to move them up. Okay, now let's add our subdivision surface modifier by hitting Ctrl 2. Optimize display, and let's add some volume to our umbrella. Let's add a solidifier modifier like so. Thickness looks nice. Yes, it is. Okay, let's change to smooth, and let's actually recalculate normals. Oops, doesn't work. Well, then we'll have to add some resolution manually. So hit Ctrl R. And here as well. And for the inside we'll have to do this thing also, like so. Okay. Now we have our umbrella, and you can see everything seems to be nice and smooth. Actually, let's move our solidify modifier to the top so it applies first, and let's maybe crank up the thickness just a touch. Actually, I'm not happy with the way solidify modifier works, so I don't know, let's just delete it and probably add thickness by extruding the edges. Let's hit Ctrl Z a couple of times. Yeah, it probably was a mistake to that modifier, but well, you learn when you do something new. Anyhow, let's go to face select mode, hit Alt right click, and let's hit E to extrude, Okay, now we're ready to add some resolution. Control R, and for this guy as well, and for the inside, like seriously. There we have our nice umbrella. Actually, probably want to move this guys down just a touch. Yep, looks a little bit better. And probably add some resolution to the top of our umbrella, like so. Actually no, let's not do this, it looks horrible. Anyhow, basically we have our umbrella. Now let's set our pin for the umbrella. Hit Shift A once again to add mesh and add a cylinder. Vertices of A should do just fine. Actually, let's rotate it. It's probably 10 degrees, no? '25. Actually, I don't know. Let's go to the top view, hit Z. Yep, looks good. Now let's hit tab to go to the edit mode view. Scale those guys up, down. Scale those guys as well. Oops. Like so. Move it up. And scale the whole thing down. Like so. Now I want to add some resolution. Bring those words down, hit Control R. Just in a couple of points, so we can scale probably this guy up, move those down just a little bit, this one, move up, Control R to add some resolution here, Control 2 to add a subdivision surface modifier to my display. Let's select those guys, W3 at center. Move those guys down. And let's provide some more resolution. Actually, I did something wrong. Probably I shouldn't have deleted that word, those words. So we have a thing in here. Let's move it down. Dope. Probably would just be fine if we scale those guys down, like so. Yep. Okay, the pin looks nice. I'll probably scale it down just a touch and hold up and set our